Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to enable or disable developer option in your Xiaomi or Redmi mobile or any kind of Android device. So let's begin our video. At first you need to go on your phone settings. Now you need to go my device and then scroll down, and you can see there have a option all space. Open it and scroll down, and you can see there have a option MIUI version. You need to touch it again. Now your developer option is enabled. There you can see. Let's back, scroll down, and now go additional settings, and then there have a option. You can see developer option. Open it. Now you can see your developer option already enabled now. And how to disable it? Just go your phone settings again. Now scroll down and go additional settings, then scroll down. There have a option developer option. Open it. Now disable it. That's it, guys. In this way you can enable and disable developer option in your Xiaomi or Redmi mobile very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.